9 Best Foods Every Senior Must Eat for Muscle Strength. If you're over 60 and feeling like your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, struggling to climb stairs, feeling winded on walks, you're not alone. Muscle weakness can sneak up on many of us as we age, making everyday tasks harder. But here's the good news. It's absolutely possible to improve your strength with a few simple changes to your diet and routine. In this video, we'll uncover 9 powerful foods that can help you rebuild muscle, regain energy, and stay active for years to come. Stick with us. Your journey to a stronger, healthier you starts here. Did you know that starting in your 30s, your body begins to lose about 3 to 8% of muscle mass each decade? By the time you hit your 60s, this can make everyday tasks feel harder, impacting your mobility and independence. This condition, called sarcopenia, isn't just a natural part of aging. It's something you can take control of. Sarcopenia is often fueled by hormonal changes that come with aging. For men, testosterone levels gradually decline, which can affect muscle repair and growth. Women, on the other hand, experience a drop in estrogen during menopause, which can impact muscle mass and bone strength. Combined with reduced physical activity and inadequate nutrition, these changes can accelerate muscle loss over time. The good news? Small shifts in your daily habits can make a big difference. The right foods aren't just fuel, but medicine for your muscles. Eating nutrient-packed options can slow down or even reverse muscle loss. So let's explore how to keep your strength and independence with every meal. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are nature's ultimate muscle-building food. They're packed with high-quality protein and contain all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. But it doesn't stop there. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient that supports liver health and reduces inflammation. For seniors aiming to maintain or rebuild muscle mass, eggs are a simple, versatile option. Whether scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet filled with veggies, eggs can be a delicious and satisfying start to your day. Plus, they're budget-friendly and easy to prepare, making them an ideal addition to any meal plan. Consider eating 2 to 3 eggs a day, depending on your dietary needs, to keep your muscles fueled and your energy steady throughout the day. They're a quick win for better health. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are a senior's best friend when it comes to fighting muscle loss. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce inflammation and support muscle function. Omega-3s can also improve blood flow, speeding up muscle recovery after activity or exercise. 2 servings a week are all it takes to reap the benefits. Grill or bake salmon for dinner with a side of dark leafy greens, or keep canned sardines handy for a quick snack or salad topping. Their nutrient density makes them a powerhouse for healthy aging. And here's a bonus. Fatty fish isn't just good for your muscles. It also boosts brain health and helps maintain a healthy heart, giving you even more reason to add it to your plate. Number 3. Lean meats. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are excellent sources of high-quality protein and amino acids, particularly leucine, which plays a key role in muscle synthesis. They're also low in fat, making them a heart-healthy choice for seniors focused on balanced nutrition. Adding lean meats to your diet is easy and versatile. Grill or bake chicken breasts to toss into salads, slice turkey for sandwiches, or use either as the main protein in hearty soups or stews. Their mild flavor pairs well with various herbs and spices, making them a culinary blank slate. Regularly eating lean meats can help you maintain muscle strength while keeping your overall fat intake in check, a win-win for seniors looking to age healthily and actively. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes like beans and lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse, perfect for seniors looking to maintain muscle strength. These affordable staples are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and potassium, which support muscle function and overall health. The versatility of legumes is hard to beat. Add black beans to a salad, whip up a hearty lentil soup, or make a chickpea-based hummus for a snack. Their mild flavor makes them easy to incorporate into many dishes, whether as a side or the main event. For vegetarians or those looking to cut back on meat, legumes are a fantastic alternative. Plus, their fiber content helps improve digestion, making them a win for your gut as well as your muscles. Number 5. Dairy. Dairy products like Greek yogurt and cheese are essential for muscle and bone health. They're rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D, all of which work together to strengthen muscles and maintain bone density as you age. Greek yogurt, in particular, is a fantastic choice because it's higher in protein and lower in sugar than regular yogurt. Enjoy Greek yogurt with fresh fruit for breakfast or snack on a piece of cheese, paired with whole grain crackers for a satisfying and nutritious treat. Opt for dairy from grass-fed sources when possible, as it's higher in omega-3s and other beneficial nutrients. Adding dairy to your diet isn't just good for your muscles and bones. It also supports a healthy gut, thanks to the probiotics found in yogurt. Talk about a triple win. For those of you who've been grappling with blood sugar concerns, in the comments, you'll find a link to a natural beverage that's making a real difference for many. It's not just another health fad. It's a simple, practical solution that works while you sleep, transforming your approach to blood sugar management with minimal effort and maximum comfort. Now, back to the video. Number 6. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with nutrients that help keep your muscles strong and your body energized. They're rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to muscles, as well as calcium and magnesium, both of which are crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation. Incorporate these greens into your meals by adding them to smoothies, tossing them into salads, or lightly steaming them as a side dish. For an easy nutrient boost, try swapping out lettuce for spinach in sandwiches or wraps. Regularly eating dark leafy greens doesn't just benefit your muscles. It can also improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural detox processes. They're a true superfood for healthy aging. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to muscle health. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants like vitamin E, they help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly great choices for seniors. Incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet as a snack, sprinkle them over oatmeal or yogurt, or add them to baked goods for a crunchy boost. A handful of nuts or a tablespoon of seeds goes a long way in delivering essential nutrients without overloading on calories. Not only do nuts and seeds benefit your muscles, but they also promote heart health and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, a double win for aging well. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice provide slow-releasing energy that keeps you active throughout the day. They're also rich in protein, fiber, and magnesium, which play a key role in muscle contraction and overall muscle health. Enjoy whole grains as a base for hearty bowls, pair them with lean meats and vegetables, or use them to bulk up soups and stews. Quinoa, in particular, is a standout because it's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. For seniors managing chronic conditions like diabetes, whole grains are an excellent choice. They help regulate blood sugar levels while delivering the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong and healthy. Number 9. Avocado. Avocados are a nutrient-packed superfood that every senior should consider. They're rich in potassium, which aids in muscle function and recovery, and monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and support overall health. Add sliced avocado to salads, spread it on whole grain toast, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy, nutritious twist. Its versatility makes it easy to include in meals, whether as a main ingredient or a healthy topping. Beyond muscle health, avocados are fantastic for your heart, brain, and skin, making them a powerful ally in healthy aging. Their combination of healthy fats and essential vitamins ensures your body stays nourished and strong. Eating the right foods is just one piece of the puzzle. To maximize their benefits and keep your muscles strong, you'll want to pair them with a few key habits that support healthy aging. 1. Pair nutrition with exercise. The best foods for muscle health work even better when combined with strength-building exercises. Simple routines like bodyweight exercises, resistance band workouts, or even brisk walking can amplify the benefits of nutrient-packed meals. Aim for activities that target major muscle groups to maintain strength and mobility. 2. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for muscle function and recovery. Dehydrated muscles are more prone to cramps and fatigue, which can disrupt your daily routine. Keep water within reach throughout the day, and consider adding a pinch of electrolyte powder after exercise to replenish lost minerals. 3. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods can undo much of your hard work. They're often loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, which can lead to inflammation and interfere with muscle health. Stick to whole, natural foods as much as possible and save processed options for the rare treat. Avoiding processed foods is a great start, but there are other often overlooked strategies that can make a big difference in supporting muscle health and overall well-being. Let's explore a few practical tips to round out your approach. 1. Budget-friendly options. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Canned fish like sardines or salmon are affordable alternatives to fresh seafood, while frozen greens retain their nutrients and cost less than fresh produce. Buying legumes and whole grains in bulk can also help you save money while stocking up on essential nutrients. 2. Portion control for weight management. While these foods are packed with nutrients, portion control is key to avoiding unwanted weight gain. Stick to recommended serving sizes, a handful of nuts, a half cup of whole grains, or a palm-sized portion of lean meat. This ensures you're getting the benefits without overloading on calories. 3. Don't forget vitamin D and sunlight. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle health by aiding calcium absorption and supporting overall muscle function. Spend some time in the sun each day, about 10 to 30 minutes depending on your skin tone, to boost your levels naturally. If sunlight isn't an option, consider vitamin D-rich foods like fortified milk or supplements, as advised by your doctor. Incorporating these muscle-boosting foods into your meals can make a real difference in your strength and energy. Pair them with regular activity and a balanced lifestyle, and you're on your way to staying active and healthy for years to come. As always, check with your doctor to ensure these tips fit your personal health needs.